home. Children, do you know which month this is? Yes, August month. This is August month. We celebrate one special day in August month. Everyone all around India, we celebrate a special day. Wait a minute, what is India? Have you heard of India before? What is India, children? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. India is the name of our country. The country in which you and ma'am and everybody else around us lives is called India. Okay, and in the month of August, we celebrate the Independence Day of India. Which day? Independence Day. Have you heard of Independence Day before? No, you are too small to hear about it, right? Okay, ma'am will tell you a small story. Long back, our country was ruled by the British. Okay, they are people from another country. They were ruling over all of us. So, our leaders got together and they started the freedom struggle. What did they start? Freedom struggle. And after a lot of struggle, we Indians finally got our freedom. And we celebrate 15th August as our Independence Day. The day our country got freedom. We became free from the people who were ruling us. Children, there are many leaders who have fought for our freedom like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. Okay, these are some of the important leaders who have fought for our freedom. Now, I want to ask you something. Have you seen our flag? Flag of India. Have you seen it? Do you know which colors are there in the flag of India? See, this is our flag, our national flag. Okay, can you see the colors? Yes, there are 3 colors. Which are the 3 main colors, children? Saffron, white and green. Then in the middle, we have the Ashoka Chakra. Okay, children, this is our flag. We should always be very proud of our country and take good care of our country. And also show respect to our flag every time. If you see a flag has fallen down somewhere, you should pick it up and keep it safely. Okay, children, never disrespect the Indian flag. We should always be proud of our country. Children, can you tell me what are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white and green. Can you tell me that again? What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white and green. Very good. So will you remember these 2 questions, children? When is our Independence Day? Our Independence Day is on August 15th. And what is the next question? What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white, green. Saffron, white, green. Oh, that's great. Very good, children. Children, shall we learn a rhyme about our national flag? Yes? Okay, you try to sing with ma'am. Look at the flag, look at the flag, it's saffron, white, green. Salute the flag, and always honor it, and always honor it. Can we try it again? Yes, it's a very easy rhyme. I'm sure you will learn it very fast. Okay, let's sing it again. Look at the flag, look at the flag, it's saffron, white, green. Salute the flag, and always honor it, and always honor it. What do you mean by honor it? We should always show respect. Okay, always show respect towards our national flag. Okay children, we'll sing it once more. You should show the actions also. Okay, are we ready? Come on. Look at the flag, it's saffron, white, green. Salute the flag, and always honor it, and always honor it. Children, as you grow bigger and bigger, you will learn a lot more about our Indian freedom struggle and about our great leaders. Now, you just have to remember few things. The first one is, when is our Independence Day? Our Independence Day is on August 15th. Our Independence Day is on August 15th. Will you remember that? And one more thing you have to remember. What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white, green. What are the colors of our national flag? Saffron, white, green. So children, India is our country and we all are very proud of our country. Yes, we will promise to keep our country clean. Yes, and be good citizens. So happy Independence Day in advance. Okay children, on August 15th, you will wish everyone happy Independence Day.